Okay guys, welcome to this video. This video is going to be explaining how to set your browser up to get credited for your offers that you do on Live Rewards in the back office that I showed you in that other video. This is just a browser setup process, and this is what all reps have to go through to qualify and register the account before you even start doing offers. So if you have Firefox, you want to come up to the right top hand corner and you want to click on Options. And you want to scroll down to Privacy and Security. Click on that. And you want to come where it says History. You want to clear History. You want to click on Everything. And once you click on Everything and you click on Clear Now, it's going to clear all of your browsing data. And you're going to scroll down a little bit more where it says Cookies and Site Data. You want to make sure it's a blue dot where it says Accept Cookies and Site Data from websites. You want to scroll down a little bit more where it says Block Pop-up Windows. When you come to it, it's going to be checked. You want to uncheck it. Simple as that. And once you follow those 3 steps, you're ready to go back to your Live Rewards site and start doing offers because now your computer is registered to do them. I mean, you can come back and change these settings with no problems. So if you have Google Chrome, and that's the second browser that we recommend you having to do these offers and receive credit for it. You come to your 3 dots in your right top hand corner again on Google Chrome, and you click on Settings. And what you're going to do on Settings is you want to scroll down the page. You want to click on Advanced. You're going to scroll down the page a little bit more to where it says Content Settings and Clear Browsing Data. You want to click on Content Settings. And where it says Cookies, you want to make sure it says Allow Sites to Save Data. And it should be toggled on. You back out of Cookies. You come down. You're still in Content Settings, mind you guys. You scroll down. And where it says Pop-ups, make sure it says Allowed. It's allowed. And you click out of Content Settings. And you come back to Clear Browsing Data. You want to make sure all 4 of these boxes are checked. And click Clear Data. And that's it, guys. Now you're ready to go complete offers if you have Google Chrome. So this pretty much wraps up this training of how to set up your browser to complete offers. Make sure you do this. This is your first step, and this has to be done correctly or you won't receive credit for the offers that you do in your back office. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.